Hi y'all, welcome back to the Sharp Side channel. It's your host CT. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick little initial review kind of thing of this split cowhide wraparound helmet bib from Black Stallion. Excuse me, with a dry throat. This is just essentially, if you have a beard or you just want to have a little additional face protection. Yeah, go. We got some random person ripping up the local roads on a motorcycle. So I don't know if y'all heard that. But anyways, so this is just a little extra face protection. Depending on what helmet you wear, sometimes they don't have the best kind of lower chin. I think I just bumped my mic. Sorry for that. What was I saying? They have a little. This can provide a little extra chin protection and block out any UV light that your helmet wasn't already blocking out. Sometimes angles are a little funky. You know, you got to do some out of position work, do something kneeling, standing. You know, you got to get inside pressure vessel or something. You know, you're doing something wacky, and you just don't have the protection you'd like. Get yourself one of these helmet bibs. This was less than $25 guaranteed. I don't remember. I don't know why I don't remember. Just got this the other day, but that's what it looks like. Keep it in frame. I mean, you could make one of these yourself at home out of spare leather. And it's only an 1/8 inch thick, maybe. You just literally, I probably could have made this for cheaper if I had the leather. Go to the local leather store and buy this, but it's these tabs that are pretty cool, like rubber, so it's not going to arc to your helmet. Clips that are sewn in. So, I mean, you'd probably have to drill a hole and then like electrical tape over it, and like put a screw or something to do it if you did it by yourself. But looks pretty snazzy. And it's a durable split cowhide leather wraparound bib, helps protect. Sheesh. Wraparound bib helps block sparks, heat, and UV. Push-on clips for fast and easy installation. Universal design fits most helmets. We're going to try on this classic Jackson hood that was gifted to me. It's kind of wacky. Some random stickers, you know. The random things you get from people you know. We're going to try on this because it's a very classical passive shade. I think it's a shade 10, but a very classical hood. A lot of folks have these. Doesn't block vision when helmet is raised, so that's very important. Let's get this stupid little plastic tag out of here, because no one likes this. Oh, don't throw this away, because instructions. Excuse me, because putting on a bib is like super important. You know, gotta have the instructions. Basically, what you're gonna do: put these two center ones on the bottom of your hood, and then go wrap the others around, spacing out as far as possible to keep as small of a gap as possible. So that's what we're going to do. Let's get our hood, flip it around, flip this around. It's pretty stiff clips. I guess they don't fully open. Like the one side's sewn shut, I guess. No, it's just really stiff. Okay. So you're just going to slide that. Wow. Am I still in frame for y'all? Yeah. I'm going to slide that on basically. And then slide that other one on. And these little leather tabs you want to bring up in between so as to keep that UV light and the heat out. So slide that one on. Tab in between. Then we go ahead and push that on. I'm pretty excited to see how these work. Yeah. I was doing that right. You're supposed to tuck them underneath, which I was doing. but it's easier just to put the clips on and then go ahead and tuck those leather tabs, because it's leather, but tuck the tabs underneath. So we got that one side done. Looks pretty snazzy, I think. Go ahead and get this other side, and hopefully keep you in frame of it. 5 minutes of recording, almost 5.5 minutes. This is crazy. I thought this would be like a 3-minute video. Wow, I'm slow. And these clips are rubber, so they can flex a little bit at the bottom, because the bottom of the hood's curved. Because it's curved. These can bend a little bit. It's going to be A-okay. Tuck that tab underneath. Tuck that tab underneath. Tuck that one underneath. And, wow. Let's take a look. I think that's pretty snazzy. It adds a hole extra at the bottom. About where's that tape measure of mine? There it is. Adds an additional 4 3/4 inches of protection at the very, bring it back to frame, at the bottom. And on the sides, about an extra 3 inches. And that's pretty nice. This is not my work hood, so we'll see. But I'm pretty excited to try this out. It doesn't have a headgear on this, so I'm just going to have to like put it on my head and see how that looks. Interesting. Interesting indeed. It really blocks out all of that light at the bottom, which is really nice. Really what I was looking for, because in my situation at work, table's pretty shiny just from being steel and grinding on it, that it reflects the light up, and sometimes it gets underneath my hood. It's really annoying because it reflects off the top of my hood and then into my eyes. So it's not crazy bright, it's just really annoying because it kind of messes with what I'm seeing through my lens. But yeah, I'd say 10 out of 10. Okay, maybe not 10 out of 10 because, you know, that means it'd be perfect. And these tabs kind of flap around in the back a little too much for my liking. That'd be like really my only critique. And if they did it like a double side, so I mean, it's pretty soft on the inside, but something like super soft, you know, because it's probably going to brush up against your chin. My fan's probably brushing up against my chin right now. Sorry. But yeah, if they made that like a dual-sided and kind of glued the leather together or something, and made a real nice soft lining, I think that would be fantastic. And you know, you just get rid of that tag, just snip it off with a pair of side cutters, or knife, or you know, whatever. But I think it's a good product, and definitely try it if you think you need a little extra protection from the UV light, heat, or sparks. So yeah, that's all. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And go check out some of my other videos, because I got I've got a couple other videos doing some glove reviews. I will get to some knife review content eventually. Just, I want to set up, get some stuff together so I can kind of do a series of tests for the reviews. Because, you know, if I just do an unboxing and, you know, show you what this, whatever knife is, like this Milwaukee Fastback, for example, if I just pulled it out the box and said, hey, here it is, this is what it looks like, you know, it opens pretty nicely, it's cool, and then that was the end of the video, it'd be pretty dumb, wouldn't it? So, you know, need to get that together. But so that's in the works for the future, but stay posted, guys. I will try to keep you posted. And thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate it. Trying to get some welding information out there, because there's not a lot of welding information out there for products like this, like these helmet bibs, for this helmet bib, and my other videos on the glove reviews. There's not a lot of those out there. So I really do appreciate it, guys. You guys have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.